If John had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of his money, how much money did he have in the beginning? So we have to calculate the remaining money. Solution is, let John had rupees X in the beginning. He spent 75% of his money. So money left with him will be 100 minus 75%, which is equal to 25%. So 25% of X is equal to 600, which is given. 25 over 100 into X is equal to 600, which has been given. Now X will be equal to 600 into 100 over 25, which is equal to 600 into 4. So the value of X is equal to, after calculating this, we get 2400, which is the answer. So initially John had rupees 2400 in the beginning.